Felt it was time, heading out for an evening.